Omayine Adom nyanyimi nyimide MPP yebotumo yasua demti na oza sua hen ye bobo mozen yasua memudiano Adom nyami nyimide yebotumo yasua. We won't give up.
But don't be asking unnecessary questions.
No, we'll ask the necessary questions. Eba Vertina. What will CV? I don't ask questions outside of their CV. I don't ask questions outside of their CV. Please, don't get it wrong. I look at their CV. Interreba, prepare your CV well. In him there were questionable certificate. Go and do your homework. Because you're a baby so. If they kita first degree, wahimfa, is kita masters. Kenya masters wahin. Obi atro date no. Sometimes, don't you realize I even help them?
Yeah, but
sometimes give them the opportunity to correct.
When you are preparing those things, you know.
That is why I give them the opportunity.
Because some of them, they are your mates.
That's why I give them the opportunity to correct.
Is it fair? Obi not in classroom.
No. Now, so far, the classroom, please. Don't create that impression. All I'm saying is that Monday, obey butu. No.
With the Ghana first mentality or with the MPP mentality?
No, we'll hold them on to account. We will ask you, your CV, there is no friend in Lagos. There is no friend in Lagos. Monday, first set, you should come prepared. The minority,
I'm not
we're
sure
not going to spare them.
We are going to go through another 3-4 hours to get to your point.
We will scrutinize them.
But that one,
we will do the best.
They will stop it because
they should stop it. Ghanaians will see.
But they will stop it because
Ghanaians will see.
You don't take undue advantage over that leverage.
Ghanaians will see. They should check the history. They should check Bagbin's vetting. They should check Harun Idrisu's vetting. We would ask the relevant questions. Want to use one majority no in fact intimidating. It will not happen. We would ask. We are covered by the law and the rules. Was over used to CV. Abrante is the year Juma war. Hifa, Ibe Juma na ye baby so. Into Mensora and Kade be a deputy minister. It will help the governance. It will assure the people that look, Nimpano or Bano or when you see in experience Obotu was a Juman. It's not personal. Into America that there's no friend in Lagos. Bano and him there, Ikro University or UK. In him there were university now. Actually there Ikro and Ankwa. Man fan she CV no do.
Efanka ho.
Because maybe so.